kaibigan Diyos. Magandang araw, Bicolandia. Nandito tayo sa Rinconada National Technical Vocational School at kasulukuyang tinatalakay ni Ginoong John Kevin C. Gambal ang tungkol sa expanded career progression for teachers and school heads in the Department of Education.
Orientation. This is not just a division orientation, but this has been the effort of DepEd to orient all teachers and school heads about extended career progression. At ano po ang issuance ng DepEd to finally have it in the field? It's DepEd Order number 24, Series 2025. Gusto niyo ba itong pag-graph ako ng okay. DepEd Order number 24, Series 2025. Ano wala ba? Series 2025. Okay. Dito tayo sa journey ng ECT. Kasi baka gusto nyo ipasok sa article sa inyo. This, again, took place with Order number 174, Series 2022. Okay? Establishing the expanded career progression system for public school teachers. And this was signed by former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Then, it was followed by IRR of Executive number 174, Series 2022. What is IRR? Implementing rules and regulations. Also in the same year. Then, afterwards, this is recent, 2025 na. So, take a look at how the journey took place with the ECT. Na-visualize siya 2022. Then, we have been able the presentation earlier.
Maghintay sa susunod na updates at manatiling nakasubaybay.